guys, how are y'all doing today? I am so happy to welcome you guys back into my kitchen so that we can chef it up together. Now, I know with the pandemic going on, a lot of our favorite restaurants have been temporarily closed, or we're just scared to order takeout. So I'm here today to show you guys how to make this delicious pepper steak / beef stir fry using this easy 10-minute recipe. So these are all the ingredients we'll be working with today. I have my seasonings to the left. I have half of a red, green, and yellow pepper. You know I love my colors. I have a large carrot, a medium-sized red onion, 3 stalks of scallions, a pound of beef, and that's round beef we're working with. I have some grapeseed oil. To the bottom right, we have all the ingredients to make our teriyaki sauce. That's some Worcestershire sauce, some soy sauce, some grated ginger, lemon juice, brown sugar, and some garlic paste. So let's get right into it. I'm gonna start off by seasoning the beef with around a tablespoon of black pepper and garlic powder with a little bit of salt. We really don't need too much seasoning when cooking beef, in my perspective. Also, the teriyaki sauce will add more flavor to the beef as well. So let's go in with some oil just to make sure that the seasoning is evenly distributed, and we're just gonna rub it in. So we're gonna set our steak to the side for now and allow it to marinate while we get our vegetables ready. So go ahead and cut up your vegetables to your liking, and we'll come back and get this party started. So my steak was cooking for roughly 2 minutes altogether. I'm gonna go ahead and remove them. You can go ahead and add some more oil if need be, and let's saute our vegetables. I'm going in with my onions first because I want them to caramelize a little bit to release that flavor. And please ensure that your flame is lowered a little bit because we don't want to burn our vegetables. So I'm just allowing my onions to saute for a minute or so, and then we're gonna go in with the carrots and just allow it to sit for a little bit, and then we can add the bell peppers. Some mushrooms would be really good with this. I normally add mushrooms to mine. You can really use whatever vegetables you prefer. And just allow everything to saute. I recommend that you add some sesame oil to your vegetables if you have it. It's gonna give it such an amazing flavor. Guys, just look at how beautiful this is. Looking like a whole rainbow over here. I love to play with the colors when I'm cooking, and it's smelling so delicious. When I tell you that this is easy, you will see for yourself. So I lowered my flame while I allow all the vegetables to sit together. Let's get our teriyaki sauce ready. Very easy. I'm going in with 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1½ tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, and 1½ tablespoon of brown sugar, and some garlic paste. You can use garlic, some minced garlic instead if you want to. And we're just gonna give that a good whisk. So I'm also going in with some gravy master, and this is basically browning with a little bit of flavor to give my steak some color. Listen, I'm Jamaican and we like our meat with color, okay? Oh guys, I forgot to add my scallions, so I just did that. Don't be like me, add all your vegetables and go in with your steak and mix that in, and just let it sit for a minute or so and allow the flavors to do its thing. And then we're gonna add our sauce and mix it all up. Y'all heard that sizzle right there? Listen, my steak is sizzling and it's smelling so good. Go ahead and pour that sauce all over, and make sure that your flame is lowered because we're going to allow it to sit for 2 to 3 minutes just to make sure that the flavor is there. Make sure that you mix it in really good, and the sauce is going to get thickened, and this is just going to be so delicious. Like, we're basically finished right now. Look at that flip right there. You see me doing my thing right there? So guys, we're all finished. When I tell you that this is tasting so delicious, it's not only looking delicious, it's beyond delicious. It literally took me 10 minutes. I served mine up with some plain white rice and some vegetable fried rice as well. No longer will we be deprived of our favorite takeout. No quarantine, no pandemic will stop us. We're taking the takeout from our kitchen, okay? So guys, tune in next week Saturday to see more recipes, very simple and straight to the point. Please feel free to leave a comment as to what you would like to see next, and thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to Jammin Cuisine to see more amazing recipes. Until next time.